What's good, y'all? It's your boy Melly G, man, and welcome to M3V. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be my second channel, man. You know, this is going to be the channel where I'm going to be recording different types of events and different types of videos outside of animation, you know what I'm saying? So I can enjoy, you know, my personal life. I just want y'all to enjoy, you know, this is my first video, so I hope y'all enjoyed this new video, y'all. And make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting on the channel a little bit more. You know, animation, you know, it takes time. It takes a lot of time for, you know, to make an animation just in general. So this is gonna be my channel, you know what I'm saying, make content. I haven't figured out my schedule yet for this channel. I'm saying make sure y'all subscribe, turn the notifications on, you know what I'm saying, so that once I do get my schedule together, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a lot of bangers, y'all. It's gonna be a vibe, you know, it's gonna be a vibe channel, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, alright, so love y'all, man, and yeah, peace. Look at this jump. What the wheels do? Oh, Josh. Oh, Josh. Look at the Camaro. Another Camaro number 3, Camaro number 4. What the bus doing though? It said cruising. The bus is cruising, y'all. Yep. Oh, not the wheels spinning. Type of engine. Wow. Another one. Another one. 1 Camaro, 2 Camaro. Hold up. 3 Camaro. Another one. Look at that joke right there. Oh, George. Look at the pearlescent on that road. You got it GTA style for real. Look at that car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh. The paint job on that. Wheels and everything. Another one. Another Camaro right there. You see it. You see it. They going against each other for real. Player 1 and player 2. Who's gonna win? Who got player 1 and who got player 2? Oh wait, another Camaro. That's another one. Oh, hold up, because we're not done. Because I see another one right there. 5, player 1, player 2. Go ahead. Go ahead. Play the engine. Another one. Woo! Another one. Another one. One. Go ahead. Show off. Mean with it. Player 1, player 2 made their return, y'all. Another one, and that's the ZL1. That's my dream car right there. Another one. Here he comes. Here he comes. He even got the Autobot symbol, y'all. That's Bumblebee. Move. Bumblebee, 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 Transformers, robots in disguise. another one right there. I didn't point that out. Next to Bumblebee. The wheels, the rims. What kind of car? I think that's a slingshot, but it's a different version. See that smoke? Another slingshot. Hey, get back in there. Oh! Look what? What? You saw that? The little tiny bike. The bikers. Look at the Camaro. Woo. My goodness. Hey. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Melody, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, you know what I'm saying? And comment what's your favorite part, you know what I'm saying? Comment what's your favorite part, comment what's your favorite cars y'all seen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, or make sure y'all subscribe to my other channel too. It's going to be in the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? That's going to be my animation channel. You know, I'm going to be recording a lot of animations there. And this is going to be the channel where, you know, it's just going to be vibes, you know what I'm saying? Events, vibes, you know what I'm saying? Just a vibe channel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel for more vibes. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe to the other channel for more animation wise. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a vibe for us. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. You know what I'm saying? Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.